Have you tried using the erosion effect in Ableton Live to add texture and character to your sounds? Whether you want subtle grit or full-on digital chaos, this tool has you covered. To start, drop the erosion effect onto your track. You'll notice 3 modes: Sine, Noise, and Wide Noise. Sine mode adds harmonic tones, perfect for adding shimmer or depth. Noise introduces a rough, gritty texture, while Wide Noise spreads the effect across the stereo field, giving your sound a spacious feel. Use the frequency knob to pinpoint where the effect lands in the spectrum. Higher frequencies for sharp, bright details, or lower frequencies for a smoother, warmer texture. Adjust the width control in Noise and Wide Noise modes to shape how much of the frequency range is affected, from narrow and focused to broad and expansive. Finally, the amount control sets the intensity of the effect, letting you go from subtle enhancement to full-on distortion. Erosion is incredibly versatile. Use it to give hi-hats a lo-fi sparkle, add grit to pads and synths, or make your basslines cut through with subtle high-end presence. You can even automate the parameters for evolving soundscapes and dynamic transitions. Want to dive deeper into Ableton Live's tools? Comment Ableton below, and we'll send you a link to our free tools and resources to level up your music production.